POV, you're alone in your room late at night, the kind of silence that feels heavier than usual, like the walls are holding their breath. Your phone is already recording because you plan to shoot something simple tonight, just another quick video for your channel. Nothing serious. Nothing complicated. But then you notice it. Sitting on your desk. A mask. You're sure it wasn't there before. You pause for a second, staring at it, trying to remember if you bought it, or if someone sent it to you, or if maybe you just forgot. But the longer you look at it, the less sense it makes. It doesn't look like a normal mask. The surface is smooth but slightly warped, like it was molded in a hurry, and the eyes are wrong. Too deep. Too dark. Like they're not just holes, but something behind them. You laugh it off, because that's what you do. You're used to weird stuff online. Alright, this might actually be good content, you say to the camera, forcing a smile. You pick it up slowly, turning it in your hands. It's colder than it should be. Not just cool like plastic, but cold like it's been sitting in the dark for a long time. You hesitate. Just for a moment. Then you shake your head. It's just a mask, you tell yourself. You move closer to the camera, holding it up so your audience can see. Found this in my room. Don't even know where it came from, you say casually. But your voice doesn't sound as confident as you expected. There's something about it that makes your chest feel tight. Still, you don't stop recording. Because that's the whole point, right? You bring the mask closer to your face. For a split second, your hand stops moving. You don't know why. It's like your body is hesitating before your mind catches up. Then you force it. You put it on. And instantly, something feels off. The room doesn't look different. Not exactly. But it feels different. The air is colder. Heavier. Like the temperature dropped without warning. You blink a few times, adjusting to the darkness inside the mask's eye holes. Okay, that's weird, you whisper. Your voice sounds distant. Like it's not fully yours. You laugh again, nervously this time. Alright, I'm probably just overthinking it, you say, turning your head slightly to check the room behind you. Everything is exactly where it should be. Your chair. Your bed. The door, still closed. But something doesn't feel right. You slowly reach up to take the mask off. It doesn't move. You frown. Wait. You try again, gripping it more firmly this time, pulling harder. It doesn't budge. Not even a little. Your heartbeat starts to pick up. Okay, that's not funny, you mutter, even though no one else is there. You pull again. Harder. Nothing. And then, you hear it. A faint sound. So quiet you almost miss it. A whisper. Not from the room. From inside your head. And that's the moment you realize. This wasn't just content anymore. The first thing you do is panic. Not loud, not screaming. Just that quiet, suffocating kind of panic where your chest tightens and your thoughts start racing faster than you can control. You grab the edges of the mask again, your fingers pressing hard against it, trying to find any gap, any weak point. Come on, you whisper under your breath, pulling harder this time, but it still doesn't move. It feels attached. Not like it's stuck to your skin, but like it belongs there. You stumble back slightly, knocking into your chair. The camera is still recording, still pointed at you, capturing everything. For a second, you think about turning it off. But something in your mind tells you not to. You don't even know why. Then the whisper comes again. Clearer this time. Not words you can understand. Just a voice. Low. Close. Too close. You freeze. Your breathing slows, not because you're calm, but because you're listening. Hello. You say quietly, your voice barely steady. No response. Just silence. You turn your head toward the door. Still closed. You look toward the window. Nothing there. Then slowly, almost against your will, you turn toward the mirror. It's across the room, reflecting just enough of you to see your full figure. You take a step forward. Then another. Everything feels heavier now. Like moving takes more effort than it should. When you finally stand in front of the mirror, you stop. At first, nothing seems wrong. Your body moves when you move. Your head tilts when you tilt it. But then, You notice the smile. Your reflection is smiling. You're not. Your lips feel still, neutral. But in the mirror, they're stretched into a slow, unnatural grin. Your heart drops. No, 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 you whisper, shaking your head. But the reflection doesn't stop. The smile grows wider. Too wide. You step back suddenly, but your reflection doesn't match your timing. It lags. Just for a second. That's all it takes. You turn away from the mirror instantly, your breath now sharp and uneven. This isn't real. This isn't real, you repeat, like saying it enough times will fix it. The lights flicker. Once. Twice. Then steady again. You look back slowly. The reflection is normal again. No smile. No delay. Just you. Standing there. Watching yourself. You hesitate. Then slowly raise your hand. Your reflection follows perfectly. Everything seems normal. Until it moves first. Just a small movement. A twitch of the head. But it happens before you do anything. You jump back, hitting the wall behind you. And this time, the whisper turns into words. You shouldn't have worn it. Your body locks in place the moment you hear it. The voice is no longer faint, no longer distant. It's clear, direct, and unmistakably real. But the worst part isn't what it said. It's where it came from. Not behind you. Not in the room. Inside your head. Your hands start shaking as you reach for the mask again, your fingers trembling as they press against its surface. Get off, just get off, you say, your voice breaking now as you pull with everything you have. This time you expect resistance, but what you don't expect is pain. A sharp, sudden pain spreads across your face the moment you try to force it off, like the mask is connected to you in a way it shouldn't be. You stop instantly, gasping, your breath uneven and shallow. Then the camera glitches. Just for a second. But long enough to notice. You look toward it slowly, your heart pounding harder with every step. Did you see that? You ask, your voice barely above a whisper, even though you know no one can answer you right now. Or at least, that's what you think. You turn back toward the mirror one last time. And this time, you don't move. Because your reflection already is. It steps closer to the mirror. Slowly, deliberately, while you remain completely still. Your chest tightens as you realize the truth. You're no longer in control. The reflection raises its hand. Not matching you. Not copying you. Acting on its own. And then it leans closer to the glass, its smile returning, wider, darker, more unnatural than before. You gave me a face, it whispers. Your vision blurs for a second as your body suddenly jerks forward without your command. Your arm lifts. Your head tilts. Your lips begin to move. But you're not the one doing it. The camera captures everything as you slowly turn toward it, your movements now too smooth, too controlled, like a puppet being guided by invisible strings. Your breathing stops. Not because you're calm. Because you can't breathe. Your reflection isn't in the mirror anymore. Because it's here now, using you. And just before the video cuts to black, you lean closer to the camera and smile. A smile that isn't yours.